Alright, it's time to start the beach season 2025 in Stockholm, Sweden. And it's gonna be an amazing 2025 season here in Sweden. And today is, believe it or not, 6th of March 2025. Yes, this is the earliest that I'm starting the beach season in Sweden. But this year is going to be very hard to beat last year's record from 2024, which is 215 beach days. But yes, 6th of March, the day is today, and we have 13 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the frozen water here is just 3 degrees Celsius. As you can see, most of the lake Drevviken is not frozen, but here at Hökarängsbadet it's a bit frozen today towards the beach that is Hökarängsbadet. And I'm gonna have a challenge today to dip in this cold water, as I haven't dipped in a cold water since 1st of December, which was the end of last year's beach adventures. And I was traveling in between in Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, and also in the Caribbean, US, and I visited even Antigua and Barbuda, Puerto Rico, Barbados, and Dominican Republic also. So I have been traveling a lot, and even Egypt. So I hope you have missed my Sweden beach adventures. Now it's time for them to resume, but I'm gonna be traveling a lot in the upcoming months, so there won't be that many Sweden beach adventures, but when the time I'm gonna be in Stockholm is gonna be definitely up for a beach adventure. So let's now find some spot to crush some ice to dive into the water. Now let's see how thick the ice is before we break it. Oh, this one is here. Oops. Not so thick. Not so thick at all. So let's see. Alright, it's very tricky to cut it with the leg, but I'm gonna do my best to cut some more. So it has been quite warm these past few days, so the ice is almost melted down, so it's gonna be quite easy to break it. Indeed. But my leg is a bit frozen. And you can see there's a bit more ice all around. And I just need slightly yeah, it's it's a bit hard. But my legs are also freezing right now, so let's get some more. Now see this big chunk of ice. Let's throw it and see how it crashes. Yeah, that's what we're doing in Sweden in March, crushing ice from the frozen lakes. So yes, beach day number 1, and it's time to get ready for a let me clear out the camera. There we go. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick dip here, but it's gonna be nice for sure. It's gonna be nice for sure. Oof, my legs are frozen right now. More than crushing the ice. But let's then take a quick dip on this first beach adventure from this winter wonderland of Sweden today. So yeah, let's go and wish me luck. Yes, I have actually a bit of cold, but I couldn't resist the super warm weather we have today here in Stockholm. So let's go in for a very quick dip here in the lake. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go a bit further in the towards the beach, as yeah, I don't know, it feels like it's gonna be a bit more challenging to do it there, to go out. And here at the entrance it's quite easier to take a quick dip, so let's do it like that. But you can still see the ice even from here. So yeah, beach adventures with Kris, and the first swim and also ice dip in this frozen lake of Drevviken at Hökarängsbadet. So hope you have a great season. So let's then have a quick dip and check out the first beach day for this season 2025. Let's go! Yes, it was very nice. Very nice and very cold. And very challenging. But it's not the first time I'm doing a nice swim. Ice swim that's also nice. So it was very nice. It's also very nice to crush some ice as well and to do a nice ice dip. Next time when I'm gonna go out for beach adventure there won't be any ice, so enjoy now the view of ice while it lasts. And I have deliberately chosen a beach with ice because we're gonna miss the ice till November. So that is a wrap for the first beach day on the Sweden Beach Adventures 2025 on this 6th of March, 3 p.m. today. The sun is shining, 13 degrees in the air, very warm, 3 degrees in the water. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and yes, also thanks a lot to my members of the channel. I have currently 4 members that support my beach adventures and my content creation, so thank you so much all of you for being a member of the channel. And if you want, and the rest, all of my 20k amazing subscribers, also big thanks to you that I have reached 20k, and let's see, next goal is 30k. Let's see where I'm gonna reach that. But until then, enjoy my dances of my Eurovision and music content, and also the beach adventures that are posted every day on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.